Hello everyone, myself Nitesh Madhukar, and today I am here with your query regarding that you are not able to access your Microsoft account for the first time. So today I have created the video because mostly students and teachers are asking how to get login in Microsoft Teams. So for that, when you are getting a user ID and password from the organization, after that, what are the steps we have to follow? So before that, you have to download from the Play Store Microsoft Team, and how you are going to access one by one steps you have to follow, and after that successfully you can able to log in your Microsoft Team. So whatever you are using, desktop, mobile phone or tablet, there is nothing about to worry, because by the help of any of the device you can able to get successful login. So for that, what we have to do, first of all we have to open any of the browser. Here I am using Microsoft Edge, but I am suggesting you to use Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is available in your mobile phone as well as in desktop also. And after that, what we have to type in the box of URL, you have to type office.com. When you will click on office.com, you will get the interface like this. So what you have to type here, it is asking email or phone. So school or organization has given a unique email ID to you, ending with at the rate your organization name. Like I got the email ID like AMITPRA at the rate SSAAMI dot AC dot in. So this email ID I got from my organization. So when I have successfully entered, in that time we have to keep in our mind that all those characters which we have entered, that should be in case sensitive. So if A is in capital letter are being provided from the organization, we have to keep in our mind to get valid case sensitive character. After that, we have to click on next. When you will click on next, it is asking about the password. So whatever password we got from the organization, we have to type like same. So after that, you will have to click on sign in. Now the next step is to update your password. You have to understand the meaning of what is the meaning of update of password. Update of password means to change the password. Here it is asking first of all the current password, the second one is new password, and the third one is confirm password. Current password is which password which you got from your organization. So whatever password you got from the organization, you will have to type over here. After that, in a case of new password, you have to provide a password to keep in your mind for the future reference. ये पासवर्ड को अपने ये पासवर्ड आपको नया पासवर्ड देना है, और ऐसा पासवर्ड देना है जिसको आप फ्यूचर में यूज कर सकें, एक्सेस कर सकें, और जिसको आप याद कर सकें. तो न्यू पासवर्ड में सपोज कीजिए कि मैं एक पासवर्ड दे दिया जिसको मैंने याद कर लिया है, और जो पासवर्ड को मुझे याद करना है, सेम पासवर्ड आई हैव टू गिव ओवर हेयर ऑल्सो, द सेम पासवर्ड. इफ इट इज नॉट मैचिंग, then it will show the error. So you can able to access by the help of this button whatever password I have given. After that, click on sign in. When you will click on sign in, it is asking about help us protect your account. So it is additional security verification. By the help of that, you will have to verify whether you are authenticate user. So for this, it is, as I told, it is additional security verification. So for that purpose, what steps you have to follow, because mostly you people are facing in this area problem. When you will click here or you will click here, you will not able to get a desired result which you want. So for that purpose, what we have to do, we will have to open a new tab, and then we have to type this URL which I will give in your WhatsApp. So when you will type this URL, after that it is asking about the authentication of your phone. This is called additional security verification. By the help of that, it is going to verify you are a valid user. So in that, first of all, you will have to select your country. So we have to give the country India. So we have to find out where India is. So when you will click on India, you will get +91. After that, you will have to type a valid mobile number. In the help of mobile number, you will get a OTP. OTP stands for one time password. So when you will get the one time password in your mobile phone, as you will get the one time password in your mobile phone, you have to provide in this particular text box. So I am waiting for the OTP. Yes, I got the OTP. The OTP is 83834332. So as you will click on OTP, automatically it will take hardly 1 minute to 1 minute, or 30 second to 1 minute, you will get the OTP. So once you will verify your OTP, it will ask to done. So as I told, it will come done, so have to click on done. So after completely successful verification, you will get the interface like this. So we will have to check one by one what interface I am getting. Oh, it's a wonderful platform we got from the Microsoft, and all those application which we have to pay right now, you will get in free of cost because school is paying for this. Now here, what are the special features you are getting from here? First one is Outlook is there, OneDrive is there, MS Word is there, MS Excel is there, PowerPoint is there, OneNote is there, SharePoint is there, Teams is there, and Sway is there. We will have to know each one of this application, each one of these application, and how we can able to use. Right now we have successfully logged in, successfully created our account, we have given the password also. Now it's a time to check whether we have successfully entered in the team or not. So as I told you that how you are getting the user ID and password, so for that user ID which you got from the institution, and password which you have changed recently, all those you have to use both of them in your Microsoft Team application which you have downloaded from the Play Store. You will have to click on Play Store, and after that you have to download, you have to go to the Play Store and have to download the Teams. After downloading the team, have to click on sign in and provide user ID and password. If I will click over here user ID, what interface I will see? If teacher has been added me in any of the class, I will able to check in which class I have added. So Teams already has been created in class 8A, it's already I am added. So right now this is the complete process of signing in Microsoft Team. Hope you understood, or if you are facing any of the problem, don't hesitate to write a comment, because your comment, by the help of that, I can able to understand that what are the problem you are facing right now. So don't hesitate to write the question. So when you are going to ask for the Teams, it will take time to for the first time, but in a web page also as well as in a software also you can able to access your team. So this is the entire interface of your team. It will take time for the initialization for the first time only, but a proper application from in your Android phone there will be no any problem. So right now I am able to get this interface are being ready for me, and by the help of that I can able to join or create a team. But we don't have to create any of the team, because whatever you will do, you can, it is being observed by the administrator, and this is a complete professional account. So don't try to do any of the unnecessary thing, because all those things are being watched by the administrator. Hope you understood this video. After getting successful login, you can able to take your class, and teacher also can able to give the class. Okay students, so thank you. Hope this video is useful for you. So if you are thinking that this video is useful for your friends, so don't hesitate to share and let them aware. Everyone will able to access in Microsoft Team. Thank you. Thanks for watching.